Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the exact email address and any name variants. This narrows the search and reduces false matches. Once done, use a search engine query with the email in quotes and try site-specific searches like LinkedIn or Facebook. Make sure to check public profile headers and biographies where people sometimes list contact numbers. You should save candidate links and note timestamps. These initial hits are your evidence to prioritize further verification steps rather than random browsing. Now you move to deeper tools. Run the email through People Finder services, domain whois if the email is custom, and reverse username searches. Once results appear, correlate details like city, employer, and profile photos to rule out coincidences. Make sure to log source names and screenshots for consistency. If a phone number appears, validate it using call ID lookup or trial SMS to confirm ownership without revealing sensitive data. This layered verification reduces mistakes and false positives. Finish by cautiously confirming any candidate number. If you have a legitimate reason, send a brief, professional message via an available channel asking to confirm best contact details. Once done, document the confirmation and update your records. If you hit dead ends, expand searches to archived pages, older forum posts, and alternate spellings. Make sure to use date filters to find recent activity. Troubleshooting tip: if results seem stale, restrict searches to the past year and retry. Fresh activity often reveals current contact info.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.